We were called the dynamic duo growing up. We just worked great together. She kind of always been there with me every step of the way. She came up here on my visit with me. She kind of just followed after me, I guess you could say.
Always been there.
Always been there.
She made history being on the first softball team at Reid State. Honestly, if I didn't have her here, I'd be kind of lost, but I'm glad that we're here together because she did pave the way. Before I came to college, I didn't know cosmetology was a thing, and I was gonna go for art, but my parents were like, well, you know, there's cosmetology, and I was like, what is that? And it was exactly what I wanted to do because like hair, makeup, and stuff like that. Like I've always been interested in stuff like that, so I was like, man, that's like exactly what I want to do. I'm excited for like the business part too because I might take business next year.
My plan is I really would like to be a phlebotomist. That's one route that I'm looking. Of course, an LPN, maybe later down the road, but right now I'm dead set on being a phlebotomist. I really find enjoyment in that. Reid State just feels like home. Everybody here is so friendly and will have your back. If you need help with anything, like they'll be there to help you. In the town, I mean, it just feels like home because we grew up in a small town.
The teachers are really helpful.
Yes.
And they'll make you like, they'll help you understand.